Having lived in the eastern United States my entire life, I've always felt a calling to the mountains. There's something about hiking where you don't really know what's around you, and as you walk up the hill and climb up the mountain, the landscape slowly reveals itself. How small you feel over this vast landscape is simply just humbling. Lake Tahoe and the area around Lake Tahoe is nothing short of magnificent. Scattered upon the land are lakes, big and small, with the mountains cradling the lakes, making for some of the most magnificent views in the country. When you're here, or really anywhere out west in the mountains, you can't help but to feel lost in the best of ways. I feel it really enables myself to feel at peace, to feel calm. Getting lost in the environment around me, breathing in the cool mountain air, and quite simply, just feeling alive.